Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix DoorDash payment error instantly. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you're having issue with payments, whether your payment is declined or if you're getting some error, that might be because your payment could not be verified. So to fix this, you can go open up your DoorDash account and then tap on account. When you get to your payment methods, then just open up the credit card information that you just provided and just double check that it's correct. Even if it's correct, I suggest you delete the credit card and then re-enter the data again, because most of the time this should fix the issue, or it might be some bugs as well. So just try to re-enter those details and then try to reprocess the payment to solve the problem. So that's basically how you can fix DoorDash payment error instantly. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.